I moi państwo, powracamy do walki z terrorem nazistowskim. Death Factory.
After Aachen, nothing's gonna be the same.
Dobrze,
But we finally got a foothold into Germany.
że hemateina. A co to, jedna dziewczyna ładna jest na świecie,
Your orders
wspaniała?
were to take the hotel, not
Wąsacz.
evacuate civilians. Who decided this was a rescue op?
We thought there was time, sir.
Jaką mu
Last time I
nawelę.
checked, Turner was in charge, not you. Is he making the calls now?
No, sir. It was my call. It's on me.
It's on both of us.
Yeah, well, right now, the last thing I should be worried about is if two of my best men can follow orders when we're on the verge of the biggest operation of the entire war. Let me remind you, this is the spearhead of our final drive to the Rhine. Got a whole damn forest to clear so the convoy can get through. So from this point on, I'll accept nothing less than your best. Now get your insubordinate asses ready to move out.
To jest zajebisty fryz.
It's been 3 weeks. We're in the Hurtgen Forest now, clearing it so the convoy can get to the Rhine. I'm not proud to admit it's taken me this long to open your letter.
If it's over, we're here for you, pal. I tried to warn you.
College,
Let the man speak.
she's pregnant.
Whoa! Hey, that's huge.
Right. Daniels is gonna be a
Z
daddy.
innym hopem, ale...
She's trying to let me know, but I wasn't ready to hear it.
All right. I could use another cup of Joe. Come on, you mooks, let's give him some space.
But I don't want coffee.
Sure you do.
I'm sorry I waited to tell you about the baby. I tried to the day you were shipping out,
Siema, Versusew.
the day you took my picture.
Everyone gather around.
Where's Daniels?
Davis is talking. Come on.
On my way.
On my way. My way.
The Hurtgen is dark and nearly impenetrable. Our mission is to take Hill 493. Whoever holds the hill dominates the valley. Now, for lesser men, this task might seem insurmountable. But our division boasts a proud history of firsts. In World War I, we were first to hold off a German attack. First to launch a counteroffensive. First across the Rhine. Nothing has ever stopped us, and nothing ever will. Lieutenant,
I na
tell
tej
them what we're all
Polski
about.
szkoda.
No mission too difficult, no sacrifice too great. Duty first.
I can't hear you.
No mission too difficult, no sacrifice too great. Duty first.
That's right. Now get ready to move out.
Duty first. Back to the old meat grinder.
Amen, brother. We move out in 5.
W sumie spoko są te postacie napisane, są takie dość... Nie tak jak w Wolfensteinie oczywiście, ale... Jak na Call of Duty to nawet jest, wiecie, jakiś zarys szczątkowy, że coś tam się dzieje w ogóle w tle. Że tu jest jakaś...
Just give me everything you
Że tu jest jakaś akcja.
You got it. Much appreciated. He's overlooking the valley.
Co mi tym palcyskiem? Co tam ważysz?
believe with no advance to the roar, possibly without securing the north.
Co ja zupę mam nosić? Polski dubbing jest dramatem.
Morning.
Morning. Grochuwa. Ja. Ty, dej sztacha. De Amato. To jakiś kurde Włoch. Hunter. Alex Hunter? Z Fify? Martinez. Press G. Tu grochówka. O, logicznie. Tam się strzelają chłopcy. Willis. Tyran. No daj się baknąć. Jaki typ, ej. Masz gościu nogi w błocie zakopane.
Compliments of the chef.
Only the finest, eh? Thanks, buddy.
How's it looking?
See for yourself.
Those guns aren't letting up.
It's been non-stop. I heard you're hitting them today.
That's the plan.
SJ tu.
Good luck out there.
Thanks.
Zaraz nas oszczelają na 100.
First platoon, we are moving.
Albo coś takiego. Bradley, Molnar, Peach. Piecz. Miałem kolegę, co miał na nazwisko podobnie i no bez tego E. Peach. Peach. Dziwne nazwisko w sumie. Kai. A.
All right. Our objective is to eliminate the hilltop artillery so we can hold the forest. First stage is linking
Jak
up
jest-
with
jak się
second
zwyrtnął.
platoon at the river. Then we move out.
What kind of resistance are we looking at?
The heavy kind. Bridge has been changing hands all day.
We're gonna help him
Te
secure it.
roślinki fajne. Jakie ruchliwe. Kolegę miałeś, co miałeś tylko pić. No tak. Co, nie można? Zabronione?
Here she is. Davis assembled the biggest damned armored convoy ever.
If that don't put the fear of God in them Krauts, nothing will.
Still a long drive to the Rhine.
Nothing.
That's why we need to hammer those guns and keep them alive.
Just nothing.
Hey, watch your asses. You're in the death factory.
Hey, Zus. The cold make the old wound act up? Cause my nana, she broke her hip every winter.
Do I look like your nana?
Now that you mention
Kiss my frozen ass.
it, I'd rather kiss my nanas.
That's a pretty picture.
Czy warto zainwestować? No singiel jest okej. To be honest. Nadspodziewanie spoko.
Everyone on me!
Streamer nie ma kolegów. Streamer ma tylko interesy.
Sons of bitches keep hitting us. Next wave could be any minute. All right, first platoon, let's help these boys out. Push up, retake the front line.
Ale mam M1 za darmo.
All right, grab some mines and get those MGs ready. Barclay, Cooper, advance to the bridge and signal when you see
Miny.
movement. We need to strengthen those defenses. Place
O
those
Jezus,
mines.
jak ja nienawidzę się bronić.
Sir, I thought we were gonna hit the artillery at Hill 493.
Can't leave our lines exposed. We'll advance to the assembly point once the bridge is secure.
I hate it.
It ain't gonna be easy.
Easy's not why we're here, Private.
See these Kraut dragons' teeth? No way our armor's getting through.
Yeah, I think that's the idea.
I hate it so much. Nadupia tych min się
Krauts
obecnie.
coming through the fog! Get back to cover!
Engage!
Fire!
Press forward!
Target 11 o'clock!
Odciulinges.
Advancing! They're trying to maneuver!
Kurde, Alex, a weź się uspokój.
I'm empty! Reloading!
Ja myślałem, że to są przeciwczołgowe.
Incoming!
Jerona.
Smoke screen! Get ready!
Enemies concealing their movement.
They're coming!
Fire!
SS troops!
Keep firing! More coming in!
Wiska. Sosmańskie.
Fall back position! Western bridgehead! Pulling back!
Wyobraź sobie sytuację, że mieszkasz w Chinach, ustawiasz się z jakąś dziewczyną na randkę. Dobra. Mi to nie grozi.
Enemies concealing their movement.
Mi coś takiego nie grozi.
Fire!
SS troops!
Fall back position! Western bridgehead!
Kurwa, jakieś
Pulling back!
shotguny z zapalającą amunicją. What the fuck? No bez jajek. Kurwiska, ich jest za dużo. To coś mi spędzi w nosie.
Enemies concealing their movement.
No chyba, żeby była jakaś taka fajna kobita, taka kurwa, wiecie, taka tego, pani, żeby to miała na czym usiąść, prawda?
SS troops!
Czym oddychać, nie? Taka wiecie, kurwa, tego, tak. Elegancka.
Fall back position! Western bridgehead!
Wiadomo,
Pull it back!
wiadomo, wiadomo. Ale taka by musiała być. Panie, tego, tu wszystko. A nie w Chinach. Nie, dlatego ta historia jest na pół fikcyjna. Kurwa, co oni?
Throw the grenade!
To jest... tak.
Grenades and smokes, Daniels!
Czekaj.
Panzer! Check for mines, grenades, whatever you can find! Yes, sir!
Hang in there, buddy. Hang in there, buddy.
I oto dupia.
Look for anti-tank equipment! Hurry!
Nie mam apteczek! Przypał. No to się musiało tak skończyć raczej.
Got extra smokes! Enemies are
Inbound! Panzer! Check for mines, grenades, whatever you can find! Yes, sir!
Ciule Izus. No przecież tu tych Niemców jest jakieś w ogóle... Przecież tych Niemców jest od zajebania. O, Łosiu gra jest auto-hosting you. Witam wszystkich od Łosia.
Grenades and smokes, Daniels! Enemy armor!
Panzer! Check for mines!
No Wiela tych Niemców.
Got extra smokes!
No ale to już jest kurwa. Siema Iron. Chodź,
Daniels, I
Gonna be all right! Enemy armor!
chodź.
Panzer! Check for mines, grenades, whatever you can find! Yes, sir!
Hang in there, buddy.
Hang in there, Barry. Bewegung! No ja wiem, że medyk. Ale po prostu on musi być... Brinner, przepraszam. Dobra.
Check your bodies for weapons!
Found a German rocket launcher.
Good! Now hit that pin!
Wysłan, apteczki, apteczki, apteczki. Niemiec, apteczki. Zabijcie go tam, no! Jacy oni są pomocni. Ja Kurwa, strzelby zapalające amunicję. Bardzo popularna broń. Szczególnie w oddziałach Waffen-SS. KS Tarua. Ciubaj. Nie wyczymia. Leż tam. No, ej, wiecie co? To już tak trochę zakrawa.
Check for mines, grenades, whatever you can find! Yes, sir! Yes, sir! Throw the smoke! On a German rocket launcher! Good! Now hit that Panzer! Check for mines, grenades, whatever you can find! Yes, sir! On a German rocket launcher! Good! Now hit that Panzer! Move up to the fire! I can't move!
O! Apteki, apteki,
Here! Somebody help me! Nice shot, Daniels! Get more fire on that thing! Great job, Daniels! It's almost dead!
Jeszcze! Kurwa mać, chuju zajebany. Przepraszam.
Panzer's down! They're falling back!
O wy... Już wszyscy zdążyli ucieknąć?
First platoon, rally on me. We're
Aleśmy ich tu nadupcyli. Ej, on mrugał?
Let's move, rally on me.
Znaczy Niemcy jacyś wyjątkowo mało europejscy, nie? Tacy jacyś, kurde... O
Everyone
nie,
on me!
ten akurat taki normalny w miarę. Mają Hakenkreuza? No, nie mają. Jakiś krzyżyk.
Rally up!
Ruska broń. Lol. Co tu się momentami w tej grze dzieje? Nie wiem dlaczego.
Ammo when you're ready, Private. Everyone on me!
No przestań ryceć. Siema pereła. Kto to ryceł, ty? Ja.
We're gonna split into 2 teams. Pearson, you'll head north over the bridge to reach the hill. I'll follow the river with a squad to guard your advance. Assembly point will be the base of Hill 493. See you soon.
Yeah, you be careful out there.
Eh, you too.
Grenades and smokes for you, Daniel.
Hope splitting up was the right
See you
move.
later.
We let the crowds
Alligator.
cross this river. They could endanger the whole mission. That's why we're guarding Pearson's flank.
Ej, mogę pożyczyć. Albo nie chcę.
How far to the assembly point, sir? We'll get to the base of Hill 493
Wczoraj
soon.
kupowałem wódkę, mówię, a jebać biedę, raz na bogatości, okazja była, prestiża sztoka cytrynowego. I tłumaczę babie, pani, dostana sztoka cytrynowego? Nie, nie ma cytrynowego. A widzę, kurwa, że stoi naprzeciw jej ryja. Pani, jest tam, to ona. Tu? Nie, pani, w prawo. Tu? Nie, widzi pani tą kartkę, to nad tą kartką. Tu? Nie, pani, jedna raja niżej. Ja pierdolę. Tak ciężko było się dogadać. A naprzeciw twarzy miała tą flaszkę. Tak, perła, będzie podsumowanie. Kurde, ładna grafa jest tylko nie na... Ukrainka. No to akurat była Ślązaczka, a nie Ukrainka.
We have to take them down, but we're outgunned. Gotta probe their flanks. Don't let them see you.
Ej, daj granata.
Patrol ahead. All right, Daniels. On your signal.
Fajni chłopcy.
Fire! First platoon, advance! Daniels is covering with the sniper!
Kurwiska.
Take some ammo, Daniels!
Amerykanische Truppen. Kurwa.
Get your ammo, Daniels!
Fajna broń. Karabin. Co to tam się tak blisko?
Ammo when you're ready, Private!
To trzeba ciś, ino dziś.
In the way! We're falling back! Keep on him! Eyes in air,
Jowom się kurwa wycofia.
ammo for you, Private!
Jowom się wycofia.
Contact 11 o'clock! I'm sighting him up!
Kurwiska.
Grenade out for you, Private! Pushing in from the west! Oh, shit! Shit, it's a trap! We've been spotted! Come on!
Artillery! It's a trap!
Keep moving! Run! Go left! Get up on the hill!
Ej, to było widowiskowe i bardzo ładnie zrobione.
Get up, Brad. I know you better than anyone, so I know you still got fight in you. You can't give up. Not now, not ever.
Paul?
Krauts could be here any second. So show me what you're made of and get on your feet.
I'm afraid I won't make it.
You got to, Red. Hazel needs you, and so does your child. Now get up.
I will.
Of course you will, because you don't know the meaning of quit. I got faith in you, baby brother.
Paul.
Paul.
Paul!
Meet me at home, baby brother.
Nawet umrzeć nie dadzą.
Briggs! Oh, God.
Briggs jest tot. Dzięki for real team 123 za followka. Jakby ktoś jeszcze Niklausowi nie ustawił followa, to no ja polecam, to jest za darmo, to jest fajne. A jak ktoś chce coś nie za darmo, to można subka kupić, to już w ogóle jest super ekstra czadziorskie. A ten co? Się zakolibał. W ogóle jak on to... ta animacja. To sam taki wiater.
Oh, shit!
Tak, jeszcze 4 słupki i robimy giveawaya. O kuwa. Mymcy. Jak się suba robi? No, klika się subskrybuj czy coś tam. Oh, fuck. Ja zdupią. Nieprzeładowaną broń nosił. What? Perła w kilku. Kurde, tam wpiorony jest tych mymców. Jakie dobranoc? Gdzie wy idziecie? Czemu się pokapowali? No on pali tym miotaczem wszystko. Ja, weź się. Tata. Siema Betel. Niektórzy mają na rano do pracy, a i tak nie zasnę. Kończ tę kampanię, wydaj ocenę. Hirek, uspokój stuleję. Może jeszcze na czas mam to przełazić. Ja się rozkoszuję. Byłem na imprezie, tyle ładnych dziewczyn było, żadnej nie wykoleiłem. No, a to, że się skurde cianki bolo. To coś to nic nie zadziałał. To niedobrze. Bo to jest. Panowie Niemcy, a może by my przestali strzelać do siebie? Może by my na odmianę pogadali? Dialog, to jest bardzo istotna rzecz. Dialog, ino dialog. Dialog, a nie pusta przemoc. Bezsensowna. Kurwa. Warto rozmawiać. Proszę Państwa, to trzeba rozmawiać. Tylko nie wiem o czym. Dobra, miotacz jest to. Nawet elegancko Scheiße! Verdammte Scheiße! Już mnie to w pienio. Alex, kurde, czy ty oglądasz w ogóle tą grę? Czy ty patrzysz się na ekran? Czy ty tu widzisz możliwość zrobienia tego po cichu, skoro oni są od razu skapowani? O, teraz nie są. Lol. A przed chwilą... No nie, oni się kapują już z automatu. Żona w delegacji 4. dzień. To se kurde znajdź kochankę, a nie mi tu dupisz fleki. Siema Patryś. Ła! Coś drodzy w okolicach Chorzowa, Niedźwiedzica. No nie wiem, no kurde. Co to tam bab nie ma? Chyba są. Kurwiska. Ale te bronie to powymyślali. Z dupska. Zamiast dać najpopularniejsze giwery i szluz. Ale cieszy bardzo to, że są apteki. Ten z rana kulej żur. A po co mi żur? Nie chcę żuru.
Looks too run down to provide much defense.
Kraut's probably abandoned it.
Think they'll be back?
Hope not anytime soon.
Jaki on ma gospity. I dlaczego tu jest ruski SVT?
See any more guys out there?
No, sir.
MP40.
I'll check for supplies.
Hallo? Ist jemand da?
Listen. It's water. River must be close.
I'm praying our boys found cover from that artillery.
We'll back them up. Don't you worry.
You don't you know, pump
Here's the
it up.
river.
You can
Just gotta
pump
follow it
it
to
up,
reach the
you
assembly
don't you
point.
know,
And then
pump it up.
silence those guns.
Pamiętacie takie kurde motywy?
Sniper! Jump in that
Fair
boat.
fluch!
Push him out. Stay low. On me.
Co on strzela smugowymi?
Head down. Somebody help!
He got one of ours.
Check the flanks. See if we can reach him.
Huh?
I'm gonna pull you in.
Sit tight. We'll get him.
Can't move. Hurry.
Ale się wystraszyłem.
Somebody help me! I can't walk!
No chodź, kurwa debilu! Umarliśmy wszyscy przez ciebie.
Somebody help!
He got one of ours.
Check the flanks. See if we can reach him. Please help me!
Czy wielu młodych ludzi na Śląsku mówi gwarą, czy to zanika dialektem śląskim? Nie rozumiem czasami co do mnie kuzyn Bąkol nie mówi gwarą, czy jest to kwestia wychowania. Nie, no Dawid godo po śląsku, ale nie na streamach po prostu.
Please help me!
Ale my z Dawidem jak tak prywatnie to godomy normalnie po naszemu. Nie no, raczej
Pull you in!
w małych,
Sit tight. We'll get him.
w małych miastach częściej.
I can't walk! Somebody help me!
Shit! It's empty.
Kurwa.
Let's get the drop on him through here. I'll draw his fire. You flush him out.
W dużych miastach to się tak wiadomo zaciera i też Ślązaków tam jest mniej.
I got you covered.
He's not alone.
Es tut. Tut mir leid. Z takiego myślę, bym mu wyjebał na przykład. Na pyrę. O kurwiska! Ja pierdolę. Typ mnie wystraszył bardziej jak połowa leveli w Evil Within. Serio.
He's down.
You did good, Daniels. Moving out. On me.
Czy jakakolwiek broń ma odrzut? O, Taki symboliczny raczej.
Area is clear. But that soldier didn't have to die. Let's move.
Didn't have to
Point's
die.
not far.
No to go mogłeś, kurde, ratować, bohaterze obesrany. Znalazł się, kurwa, Steven Seagal.
Gunfire! We must be near our guys. Let's move! Tossing grenade! Contact 1 o'clock! Sire, is that you?
Lieutenant, they've got us pinned!
Davis, we need to help our squad clear the area.
You got it,
Take
sir.
that MG! Grenade out! Got ammo for you, Private. Help me, please! You gonna be okay? It's not too bad.
Zły Niemiec.
He's leaving cover.
Daniel!
Fritz is on the move. Jump ahead. Don't bunch up. Take some ammo, Daniels. They're falling back to the house. Push on. Gotta clear the area.
Sowiek bajonet. Moja nowa ksywa.
Eyes and ears. Quick.
Got extra smokes and grenades! Push it!
Spadł?
Private.
Hey, Daniels, I have smokes and grenades! In the bottom!
That's the last of them. Good job, Daniels. Squad, fall in at the bridge.
Ty
We'll hold
kutango.
the mill as a staging ground.
Ej, zaś
Pearson
wygląda...
gets here, we'll advance to the assembly point.
Typ
On
zaś
my
wygląda
way,
jak
sir.
mój znajomy.
Not another bridge.
Czemu oni mi wszyscy znajomych
Take some ammo,
przypominają?
Daniels.
Nie no, panie. No już by było za dużo.
Grenades and smokes for you, Daniels.
Ciapki z głów. O kurwa.
Snipers, get to cover! Get fire on them! Fritz!
There's more coming!
Grab what you can and hold this position!
O, pierombol.
Enemy breaking for cover! Half track!
Niklaus Headshot, nowa ksywa.
Daniels, grenades and smoke!
hold them off. Stay alert. We're gonna wait for Pearson, then proceed to the assembly point. Stop. Ammo when you're ready, Private.
Pearson.
Sir, ready for ammo.
Bardzo mi się w ogóle ten bajer podoba. Z tym podawaniem
Toss
amunicji
him here.
w ten sposób.
Daniels, here.
Ma to sens w
We hold this
końcu.
position until Pearson gets here, then we take the hill together.
Unless he bypassed the mill and went for it himself.
He doesn't have the manpower.
It's never stopped him before.
Said we wait here, and that's what we're gonna do.
No disrespect, sir. But what if Styles was right and Pearson did go ahead?
You let me worry about that, Daniels.
My gut tells me something's off.
If I made decisions based on your gut, Private, we'd still be on the boat at Normandy.
Exactly. You heard how
Exactly.
Pearson's platoon got wiped out at Kasserine? Looks like history's repeating itself.
It better not. I want to know what really happened there.
Yeah. Well, I don't have the guts to ask Turner. But I know someone who does.
Jest polski dubbing, ale ja dla
Our
waszego
mission is
dobra
to
go
knock out
nie...
the German
no,
artillery
dobrze.
together. But if Pearson sees an opening, he'll take it. Squad be damned.
Naprawdę,
There's a
możecie być
storm brewing
wdzięczni,
between Turner and Pearson,
że was nie
and it's
katuje
only gonna
tym.
get worse.
Jest tragiczny, kurwa, wuj. Poproś Pearsona o pomoc. Ja się skapłem, że ja tego ani razu nie wykorzystałem, w sumie. Ra. Nie, dubbing jest, kurwa, okropny. Wzgórze 490 Chi. Gramy.
Still waiting on Pearson. There's no telling what he'll do, but his record ain't exactly stellar. If you were here, Paul, I know
Czym się-
you'd set him straight.
Hirek,
Just hope
rek.
Dog 1 outrider. Dog 1-6. Do you read me? Over. And you know receiving unit.
Coming over.
Dog 1-6 requesting a commo check. Can you read me? Over.
If you don't mind me saying, sir, maybe we should head to the assembly point.
Not yet. Pearson will get here.
Sir! Is it true? About Pearson getting those men killed at the Kasserine Pass?
One day, Daniels, when you're leading your own platoon, you find out there's usually two options. Bad and worse. Would you focus on your men? Because that's what'll get you through.
Tell that to Pearson.
Sergeant Pearson. You just pray you're never in that position.
Lieutenant! Just got a transmission from Baker. They're gonna assault Hill 493. Pearson's with them.
What?
He took our guys and 2nd platoon.
Gear up! Let's move! Keep up! Let's go! Let's go!
Maybe
Ale
Pearson's
ładnie.
still at the base of the hill.
I'm guessing we're way past that.
Keep moving, goddammit!
Tak, będzie w multipolska mapka,
Sounds
wiem.
like our guys!
Daniels! You all right?
Yeah, I'm alright.
Where's the rest?
Pearson took him to attack the guns. We begged for reinforcements.
Stubborn son of a bitch.
We'll come back for you.
Hurry! They need us!
Gimme Thompson.
Get down! Artillery barrage! There's no way around. We have to move up this hill. Stay low and advance.
Czy dzisiaj robię całość kampanii? Zobaczymy.
Empty! 12 o'clock! Fire! Daniels, take them out one at a time!
20 Uhr. Leż, leż, leż.
Daniels, come on! Get up there!
O kurwa.
Grenade!
What the fuck just happened?
Keep pushing! Somebody help me! Gotta keep moving! Get our boys! Push it in from me! I can't walk! Got ammo for you, Private! I need more ammo, sir! We gotta get to our squad up ahead! Throw the grenade! Get up there! Grenade! He's down! Those MGs are ripping us apart! MG down! 2 gunners left! One more MG! Take him out! Don't let up! Cleared him! MG's down! Push forward! We gotta link up with Pearson!
Co się gapisz? Legendarny czerwony diabeł. Czemuś tak się wyda, gościu? Straszysz mnie? No, kurwa. Się pili.
Keep pushing!
Czy te oczy mogą kłamać? Chyba nie.
Daniels, you made it!
Good to see you, buddy.
Pearson! What the hell were you thinking?
I'm staying on mission. We need to get our engineer to clear that pillbox.
This isn't over!
Daniels, escort Parker so he can plant a charge on that bunker.
Yes, Sergeant.
Daniels, let me know when you're ready!
I am ready.
Keep your head down and go.
Play suppressive fire! Move up! Go, go, go! Covering fire! MG's out for now! Is it clear?
It is.
Parker, move up.
Moving now!
Covering fire on the MG.
MG's out for now!
To tam takie iskry
Now's
lecą.
your chance! Moving! Daniel, hit that MG pillbox! Crowd infantry
Oh.
on the left!
And toss it out a grenade.
Cover him so he can assault the pillbox.
MG's out for now!
Go, go,
Let me know when
go!
to go! Moving now! Daniel, hit that MG pillbox! MG fire interrupted!
Now,
Let me know when
Parker!
to go! Moving now! Fire!
Kurwa, jaki arszloch. Pełnia jest? U mnie ciemno jak w dupiu.
Keep your head down and go.
O, ludzie, ludzie, ludzie.
Go! Covering fire! Fire suppressed!
Move now.
Go! I'm moving up!
Ludzie, ludzie.
Pressure on that MG! MG's out for now!
Now's your chance.
Moving!
Come on! Fire on that MG! Enemy rushing our position!
Entering from the west!
Covering fire on the MG!
Right in front of us! Suppress that MG! MG's out for now! Is it safe
Now's
to
your
move?
chance.
I'm moving up! Covering fire! MG's out for now!
Go, go, go.
Safe to move! Moving up! Cover me!
No ja pier...
keep your head down and go!
You gotta suppress the machine gun!
Go! Covering fire!
Enemy through!
MG's quiet! Isn't clear! Now's your chance! Moving! Daniel, hit that MG pillbox! MG's quiet! Ready for your signal! You're clear! Heading up! Cover me! Keep pressure on that MG! Get your ammo!
German inbound! Left flank!
Enemy infantry! Covering fire! Entry from the west! Target is overwatch! Fire suppressed! Now's your chance!
To i tak by nic nie dało. To nie dałoby nic, to by nic nie dało.
Parker, move up! All right, cover me! Charges planted! Detonated early!
Goddamn fuse!
A tam early, kurde. Ważne, że wybuchło, nie?
Bunker's clear! Move in!
Lol. Ja nie potrafię zachować powagi nawet w takiej tragicznej sytuacji.
Could use some ammo, sir.
Thank you.
How many casualties?
We executed the mission.
How many?
Our instructions were to take this hill.
You should have waited for
There
us.
wasn't time.
What about our
We
men?
had orders!
The hell with our goddamn orders!
Do you think I wanted any of this? We are cogs in the machine, Joseph. We start going our own way, the whole thing breaks down. When did you forget that?
These are men! Our men! When did you forget?
Uderzenie
Those 150s
wyższego
are still
stopniem
firing on our
to
position.
chyba pluton egzekucyjny.
Keep moving. We're taking them out. Daniels, artillery is ahead. Get that door open.
Ale kurde, te animacje i te w ogóle w tych cutscenach są bardzo zacne, bardzo zacne. To jest elegancko. Wir kämpfen für die Sicherheit unseres Volkes. Zaś mnie napadnie Niemiec. Nie, tym razem nie. Jak chciał zdupczyć niemiaszek.
Enemies down! Daniels, get a thermite
What
on
the
that gun!
fuck?
Grenades and smokes when you need them.
Co to jest niby? Jakiś kurde... Niemiecki Rambo.
Take out that gun! Fire in the hole!
I've got grenades and
Termit
smokes.
tak zwany.
Yankee Schweine!
Bunker's dead ahead!
There's more guns up ahead! Keep moving!
Janki Szwajne. Co się stało tym? Ale ogień jest zajebisty.
Grenades and smokes when you need them.
Wyszedł im wyjątkowo.
This is it! Last 150!
Crowds are everywhere! We need to sweep this area.
O! This one I didn't expect it.
This is it. Last 150.
Birds are everywhere!
We need to sweep this area before hitting the 150.
Get your ammo, Daniels.
Mapę map. Co to za słowo? Mapem. Jakoś to tak po amerykańsku powiedział. Sweepuj tą areę. Okej, sweepna. ASAP, bez fuck upa.
Daniels, I have grenades and smokes when you're ready.
Jezu, jak się cieszę, że tu nie dali czarnych Niemców. Które by tego singla pogrzebało.
Charges planted.
O kurwiska.
We still got some thermite. It has to be. Pearson and I will draw its fire. Daniel, you plant a thermite on the back. Now move.
Kurwy niemieckie, przepraszam. Nie, oczywiście nie chodzi mi o naród niemiecki, tylko o tych, co strzelają.
We still got some thermite. It ain't enough. It has to be. Pearson and I will draw its fire. Daniels, you plant a thermite on the back. Now move.
Powinna być opcja poddania się. No pozdro 600. Jak ja mam podejść do niego? Skokej! Kurwiorzu. Ja pierdaczę, aż mi ucho swędzi z nerwów. Aż się nóg wydubia.
We still got some thermite. It ain't enough. It has to be. Pearson and I will draw its fire. Daniels, you plant a thermite on the back. Now move.
Nasrało tych Niemców. Kurwa, z frajerami się nie pieścić. Kurwiorze, pompy, zapalająca amunicja. Oni zaraz na mnie zrzucą głowicę nuklearną. Ja, podpol mnie! Kurwa! Zostawcie naszych synków.
God damn it!
To są takie szynki fajne.
Lobbing a grenade!
No! kurwa, ty cipiarzu. Kurwa mać, kurwa mać. Co za pizduś.
Damn it!
Ja spolmię. Cipeuszu. Nie idę. Przepraszam. Wali mi już na głowa. Flamen Doppelfuß. Więcej Niemców! Bo sam ich jest za mało. Więcej Niemców! Dobra. Dobra. Teroski. Albo jakoś kurwa inaczej, nie wiem.
God damn it!
Nie wiem, kurwa.
I'm in other possession!
What the fuck? Co to jest za hack? Że się podświetlają... Serio, już czegoś takiego nie muszę... widzę ich arłę. Poka mi arłę Niemców.
I need ammo, sir!
Duż fajne.
God damn it! Could use some ammo, sir! Here, Daniels!
Krótko i na temat. To się nudne robi. Tu kurwa nie oglądaj. To nie oglądaj. Aaaa! Niemców! Nie udupia, tych Niemców tu jest 1 000 000. Kurwa, wszystkich Niemców jest 80 milionów, jak ja mam ich wszystkich załatwić? Kurwa jego mać! Zajebała w dupę pierdolona. kurwa, jową dom. Albo nie dom. No właśnie chcę zadymić. I kurwa za daleko poleciałem. Ja pierdolę, 3 miliony nie wiem. O chuj.
It's Perez!
Ciul.
He's it!
It's okay. I've got you, son.
Lieutenant!
Ami. Fluchten Schweine. Arschlöcher. Sie werden uns nie schlagen. Was machen sie denn hier auf unserem Kontinent? Hä? Am Arsch lecken, verfluchten amerikanischen... Scheiße!
Turner! Enemy reinforcements! Fall back!
I'm not gonna make it. Leave me. I got you. Go.
We're not gonna make it!
Ja. 3 miliony SS mamy.
Stay with me. Turner. Lieutenant! We gotta get our boys out of here.
No, we can still make it!
You have to retreat.
No, we ain't leaving you here.
You get me up, I'll hold them off. You have to go. Go!
It was an honor.
No sacrifice too great. Go.
Fall back!
Sergeant!
Move! Move! Fall back! Move back! That was an order! Goddammit! Go! Go!
No!
Nie płakałem po Turnerze.
Sir, I thought you might like this.
You thought wrong. You see, we're in a whole new world, Daniels. My world. And you can bet your ass that I will not shrink or waver from my responsibilities in any way. So I'm making you my second. And you will support me 1,000%. And you'll make damn certain that all those men do the same. Anything less I will consider dereliction. Now get out of my sight.
Turner covered our retreat and died in the process.
Zaś zero
Had an easy
heroic
break
actions,
or live with.
zero
He made sure we got out and kept the
elementosów.
convoy safe, so
Jestem
he didn't
słabym
die.
żołnierzem. Poor soldier of me. Czy to jest ostatnia misja? Bez jaj. Nie, jest jeszcze, dobra. O, Battle of Bouch. To jest to, co było w... Kompanii Braci.
6 weeks now since Turner was killed and I got promoted.
Sztatę.
With Turner gone, we lost our protector. Paul, all I wanted was to come home a hero. Now that Pearson's in charge, I may not come home at
O,
all.
jaki wąs. Gimbowąs.
Merry Christmas, Turner.
Owen Turner. Pearson made farm boy over here a corporal. I wonder what you think of that.
Probably that you're the same old sack of shit, Aiello.
This ain't the time.
To Turner.
W ogóle ten mój bohater to jakiś taki cipełż jest.
Lucky son of a bitch. You're always first. Right. Keep eyeballing me. Yeah, get your jollies tonight, boys, because tomorrow when that convoy comes through, you're gonna be on the front line defending it. And Turner's not gonna be there to defend. Easy! Easy. You're corporal now, huh? Yeah, see how fucking easy it is. Go. Give me an excuse. Yeah, that's what I thought. 6 years I served with them. 6. Merry fucking Christmas.
Siema, deska.
Convoy's coming through, and it's up to us to make sure it gets to the Rhine. Now all we gotta do is survive the cold. And Pearson.
Pieron.
Nice boots, College. They look new.
Yeah. Poached them off some replacement. The poor kid froze to death.
Pearson wasn't so stingy with requisitions. I wouldn't have to steal.
It's okay. They weren't doing the replacement any good.
Where's that farm kid I used to know?
You see him, give me a holler.
Hell of a Christmas, eh, fellas?
Oh, yeah. Yeah. Why would I want to be cuddled up by a nice warm fire with my gal? When I could be freezing my ass off with you bastards.
Oh, shit. Incoming.
Aiello, get back in the MG.
Yes, Sergeant.
Sergeant, any extra coats or blankets?
You look just fine to me. East dugout got hit all night. Grab an ammo box, you're gonna resupply him.
I take that ammo. Aiello's gonna run dry.
Well, I guess you better make every goddamn shot count.
Cipeusz. Deliver the ammo box. Oni sobie ze mnie zrobili jakiegoś przynieś podej. Chłopcy, nie ma wam zimno. Mnie by boło. Navidad. Edwards. Garcia San Pedro. Sacramento. Cuevado. Kalmy są w Meksyku. Smith. Ja. Kato. Ciekawe, czy jest Kato. A tu są dwa Cheny. Chen i Chen. Hort. Majernik. Poloki. Widner. Widner to mógł być jakieś śląskie nazwisko. Crafting. Bender. Genderbender. De Amato. Noti. Arkowicz. Parkinson. Beka z nazwiska. Śmieszne. Wood. Doud. Glowacki. Ja, no z ryja taki Glowacki. Ej, co oni wszyscy mają takie gęste rzęsy długie. Jak ja. O co chodzi? Siema. A wy co? Gejuchy okopowe. Lapitan. Stewart. Hickok. Siema Terry, Perry.
Got some ammo, fellas.
Oh, looky here. It's a regular old Saint Nick.
Throw it under our tree.
Fajny Chris Baum.
What'd you bring us? Chocolate? My socks?
Shit. Krauts over the hill, 12 o'clock. Gun jam! Daniels, take him out.
Ile mordo masz lat? No 15, nie? Zdupił im się karabin. Ej, a skąd w ogóle ja mam Lee Infielda? Przecież to jest angielski karabin. Masz bekę z nazwiska, ja naprawdę nazywam się Deska. Co? Co ty dupisz? Przepraszam.
He's gone. He's gonna be reporting back.
How the hell are they getting past the 88?
You better go check in at the command tent.
Keep your eyes wide. Watch for 'em. What the hell was that all about? Was that us? They're on it. Look it. Get ready for it.
Znaczy, no nazwisko jak nazwisko, no i... Kojarzy mi się z tym, z Ed i Eddie. Wiadomo, i z Jimmym. Jimmy miał deskę, nie? Co tam, macie tableta? O, jaki tu tego, kurwa! I te oczy wszyscy mają, takie rzęsy. Wydupcone w kosmos, choby malowane. O co kaman? Jest jakieś metroseksualne czy coś? Lopez, kurde, Cantelas. Kurde, patrzcie, Patryś łyknął. Jak młody rekin.
Oh, Corporal. I got a treat
Ten
for you.
durś kurzy.
This is Howard.
Pleased to make your acquaintance.
Sorry, I didn't
To
expect.
work alongside such a fine engineer.
Howard was part of the company.
Mudzin.
I can't believe they let him fight.
Oh yeah, they even let us die. Now,
No, był pocisk rasistowski, podoba mi się.
Thought we had reserves coming.
We are the reserves.
Sergeant, we should call in air support.
Look at that. Daniels here just remembered he was a corporal.
Radio's working now.
Yeah, I wouldn't count on any help. Our flatboys got their hands full.
Now we just gotta make sure these guys.
Nie było murzynów w armii takiej, tej amerykańskiej, w II wojnie? Nie wiedział. O chuj. No, nam tu nie dadzą żyć. Ciulte. Nie no, tak naprawdę to 14.
Think it's over. You all right?
Ja, można powiedzieć.
They're softening us up for an attack.
We need to find Pearson.
O kurwa, co tu się wydarzyło? Ja jebił. Centowski! Nazywa się Centowski, a jest latynosem. To tu są zarasowe jakieś Rassenschande. Das ist Rassenschande.
There's a radio and old CP. You provide fire support. I'll get it working. That CP's on top of the enemy.
Hey, you're a corporal now, goddammit! Start acting like one!
You can't expect us to go out there with him.
You're from Queens. Nothing new.
You say so.
Hey! O's an NCO. Give up my stripes to be here. Now we need to move. Now. Lead the way. Topsy-turvy. Wait until I punch you in our nose.
You get it done.
Dobra, typie, przestań mnie stresować. Będę miał wrzody. Jeszcze więcej jak mam. Może z Władysławowa. Mhm. Ty, ale osłońcie mnie coś, co? Poszczylimy troszkę miemiaszków.
I got it! It's shot to hell! This is gonna take some time! Keep them occupied! Easy for you to say! Protect hell! Flex the tree line! Crouch inbound! Cover me! Get! We're standing!
No ci Niemcy zaś są wszędzie. Kurwa mać. Jak kampania trwała 4 godziny? Jak ja gram już 6. Coś kolego, walisz w wuja. Holy shit. No giniesz 15 razy na misję. Bo kurde nie gram na poziomie łatwym jakimś trudności jak Cipeusz, tylko na hardendzie. Kurde, zawodowcy obstrani.
Rover Joe! This is Dagwood White 5 requesting close air support. Over!
Copy that, Dagwood White 5. Air support is already tasked with heavy bomber support. ETA unknown. Over. 509, this is command. We've got an emergency request for close air support. Pull your squad once you've reached the target area.
Copy, command. We'll adjust once these heavies are safe. Course change complete. We're 3 minutes out from target location. Let's keep these heavies clean.
What?
Coming up on anti-aircraft fire. Taking evasive maneuvers to avoid flak.
No jeszcze tego brakowało.
Hold formation. Stay tight to the big birds.
Tego się nie spodziewałem, szczerze
Let's get
mówiąc.
near the front of the flight group. Looks like the flak is letting up. Keep your eyes peeled for crowds. Bandit inbound, 2 o'clock high.
I see him!
Let's keep them off those bombers. Break formation. Another group at 9 o'clock, coming in fast.
O kurwa.
Enemy right behind you!
No, model latania Cymes.
There's one on me. Button hook left, I'll go right. You got a bogey on your 6.
Co się mi stanęło? LOL, ile ich jest? Bary.
Lost another heavy flak.
We're going down! Repeat, we are going down! We're hit! We're hit! Let's run it again! We're losing altitude! Taking damage! All systems inoperable!
Nie zestrzeliłem ani jednego swojego, kurde, Skert. Co ty dupisz?
10 miles out from target.
Dupis alajny.
Crowds are back. On our six.
Ale zakurwiamy, koledzy! Nie podoba mi się ta misja. Uważam ją za niepotrzebną. Kurwa! Kurde. Ale nie mogę go zestrzelić, bo musi za nim ten typ latać. Dobra, nie strać się.
Give those heavies some room. Cut the chatter and form up on me. Command, this is 509er. We've cleared the heavies and are ready for air support.
Copy, 509. We've got enemy infantry and armored vehicles engaged with the 9th Armored Division. Over.
Rover Joe, this is Dagwood, White 5. We're getting overrun. Where the hell is that air support?
Air
Stand by,
support.
Dagwood White 5. Aircraft inbound 50 miles out. Over.
Let's get out of here, move!
Hierarchii.
Stand by.
Let's get out of here, move! Gotta get back to the line. Daniel, come back here. Go back. Go, go, go.
Ow.
Tell me you got that radio working!
Air support's on its way.
Gotta hold them off a little longer!
Kurwiska szwabskie. Nie, nie mogę tak mówić. Może tam dziadek gdzieś walczy.
Air support's on its way. We're not gonna last.
Gotta hold them off a little longer!
Nie, nie, nie. Ja się boję! Susmandowy lyk. Jaki ja dobry. W złym momencie to powiedział. Panzerfaustersi. Onanersi. Trzymaj się, Greku. Jeszcze mają czelność.
Somebody help me! Please help me! Germans ahead! Don't bunch up!
Kto tak krzyczy?
I can't walk! You're gonna be alright! Enemy troops! Give me the cover! Hang in there, buddy!
Trzymaj się, Barry. Powinieneś miałeś nie chodzić.
Ready with that target and smoke.
Ej, co kurzys?
How about we wait for a target?
Lucky shot.
Keep your eyes on that tree line. Stay alert.
First aid kit over here.
Ej. Wszyscy kim zrobili takie rzęsy? Ej, nie macie zimno. O, ciulkę.
First aid kit, Daniels.
Stand your ground! Hold the line!
A to wszystko już w następnym odcinku. Tu zakończę sobie nagrywanie i mogę was zaprosić do oglądania poprzednich odcinków i kolejnych, które na kanale Niklaus Pieron się pojawiły, także zostawcie łapkę w górę i suba, jak jeszcze żeście tego nie zrobili. Do usłyszenia.